And it is currently the 26th of March 2017. Cyclone Debbie continuing to bear down on the Queensland coastline, likely going to be making landfall just south of Townsville as we head into early Tuesday morning. Now, this update is being done on Sunday afternoon, so if you are across these areas, definitely time to be making preparations. I know there are a few locations that are under mandatory evacuation. Police-assisted evacuations are not taking this storm system very lightly at all. Actually, according to the Bureau of Meteorology, this could be the worst cyclone to hit the Queensland coast since Yasi back in 2011. It was actually one of the first storms I covered that many years ago, so definitely know how much destruction these type of storms could do. Now, this is not expected to be as strong as Yasi was. In fact, we take a look at the track. It does expect it to become up to about a Category 4 according to the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, not the Bureau of Meteorology. This is a totally separate scale with JTWC. This would be showing the Safford-Simpson scale. Wind speed's about 115 knots. Yasi was a 5 when it came on shore, but still, the big thing with this one is just how large it is. It extends all the way down here. Some of the Cirrus outflow, even as far south as Brisbane, off towards the north in the Cairns. Remember, the right front quadrant is the worst sign of the storm, so it's really this area over here just towards the south where you're going to be seeing the worst of the winds. And also, there's some pretty good outflow aloft, and that's these upper level winds flowing away from the storm. That's allowing big lungs for this storm to continue to breathe and grow. Just a quick look at the Bureau of Meteorology, the official warning for this storm system as of 10 a.m. here locally across the Queensland coastline. Expected to continue to intensify as it crosses over the reef. Very warm sea surface temperatures right near the immediate coast, and that's going to add more fuel to the fire here. So actually at this point, the max intensity with the forecast of this storm is expected to be just prior to landfall. Right now, it looks like Bowen probably going to be taking the right front of this storm, but it could waver a little bit further towards the north. In fact, WF model guidance kind of pulls this storm system even a little bit closer to Townsville instead of the GFS and the HWRF, or really some of those other models. They kind of keep it further down here towards the south around this area. Of course, that would make quite an incredible difference in the amount of impact on this larger populated area of Townsville. What's really causing this kind of waver? It's all going to be really what's happening with the subtropical ridge, or this area of high pressure just down towards south. When we take a look at the layer mean wind analysis in the upper levels, you can see this area of high pressure excuse me, located over southeastern Australia, and that's really the driving force of the steering flow with this storm system over the next 24 to 48 hours. Now, if that weakens a little bit, it should waver a little bit further towards the south. If it's strengthened, it could waver a little bit further towards the north. Overall, do think somewhere between Townsville and Bowen, but just a little weak changes means a pretty different type of impact on these towns out here. Just continue to check for updates from the Bureau of Meteorology. Do also know videographer James Reynolds is just south of Townsville. Some of the roads out there, and definitely looking to get ahead of the storm system. I think this is one of the first ones he's chased in Australia. It really kind of gives you an idea if you know who he is and what he does for a living. It's been in numerous eye walls. If he's in your area, you'll want to be taking the storm system seriously. So do follow him, Earth Uncut TV, there on Twitter, just for continued updates as this comes on shore. Tuesday morning, and the good news I do want to say is that by the afternoon, the evening hours, this is going to quickly weaken out. Just gets over that dry, arid air there in the outback. So definitely rapid weakening Tuesday evening heading into Wednesday. That's all for me right now. I will try to have another video update out maybe later on tonight, or if we head into Monday morning, post it up. But you do follow me on NHK World. I'll be putting out a weathercast all day there on Monday, of course, with this information in it as well. All right. Thanks for watching.